Hi, welcome to Yoycol. Do you know how to place an order and what happens after that? In this video, I'll talk about checking out and the whole procedure after placing an order. After you add your design into the cart, the next step will be checking out. Here's something you need to pay attention to when placing your order. First, add your address here. Make sure the address is right. If the address can't be delivered, the order status may show closed. Second, upgrade logistics. The logistics service will default to the cheapest. If you want to upgrade logistics, please select Upgrade Logistics before payment. You'll get to choose the fastest or customized method. Shipping price will be calculated automatically. Third, choose a payment method. We support PayPal, Visa Card, Amex Card, GBS Card, MasterCard, and Discover Card. Also, don't forget to check your coupons to keep up with our discount activities. What will happen after placing an order? Once you place an order, Yoycol will provide you with logistics tracking number. You can find the details of orders on your dashboard. The whole process concludes. Fulfillment. Yoycol will fulfill the order in 2 to 7 business days. Shipping. The product you order will be shipped in the optimized way to the destination. Delivery. Once the order arrives at destination, it will be delivered to the customers. The delivery time varies according to the shipping methods and regions. Here's the details. If you want to trace shipping and delivery time, here's how. Tracking method. If you can't find the information on dashboard, you can check your packages on 17 track to see delivery status. Also, you can contact carriers directly. Here is a contact list of major carriers. If you have any problems with your parcels, you can also contact us. That's all for today's video. Put your question in the comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe.